You're ready, babe. You're so ready for this. I'm so excited for you, bro. Okay, so you have this line in the movie, Singham wala line. याद है आपको?
Yeah.
बताओगे? You want to say it in the style that you said it in the film?
यार एक ही दिन में सिंघम बनाओगे क्या?
अजय जी, सिंघम बन गया है कि बनने वाला है कि क्या हो रहा है?
आई थिंक सिंघम कोई किसी को नहीं बनाता, सिंघम बनाने वाला एक ही है.
Oh! What a dahad, what a performance. What do you really feel about his performance?
No, he's done very well. I think for me, he's been very natural. All whatever I've heard, he's dubbed it very very naturally.
Nice.
So and it sounds very real.
Lovely. Karate Kid के आप कितने बड़े fan हैं युग?
I love Karate Kid. I've been following it since like forever. I
Yeah.
love it. I watched all the films. I've watched the Jaden Smith one. I watched Cobra Kai. I kept following the seasons of Cobra Kai, and now just to get this, it was really exciting.
Were you watching it on repeat and that's why it's inside of you how this works and how this goes on screen?
Probably.
Was it easy to emote the action sequences? Because you have to, you have to feel the pain, you have to feel that entire thing on screen.
It was confusing because it was my first time.
Yeah.
So to do that for like the first time, it was a little tricky.
अब पापा ने कहा बहुत सारी चीजें सीख रहे हैं. So before I ask you the last question, what is it that you're training in with all the fitness?
Just trying to be fit.
And not eat the wrong things.
Yeah.
You want to tell that to the youngsters here? That eat healthy?
Yeah, eat healthy, don't get fat.
So he calculates that once a week he'll eat a burger and a pizza and.
Oh, yes, cheat days already. All right, then, Yug, just to ask you a last question.
Yeah.
And that is that this movie is so inspiring in so many ways. How did you get inspired while you were dubbing?
So I got actually inspired by him because he's always done so well. All of you know that he's my inspiration and I really love him and he's the reason I'm doing this.
Who doesn't want a boy like that? I want to have a son like that. You are so adorable. Thank you so much for being so fierce, strong, so focused with what you've managed there on screen. Super proud of you. Can we please clap for Yug right this moment? What a beauty. What an artist. आपने कितना इनको एडवाइस किया इसके डबिंग के पहले?
Dubbing के बारे में कुछ नहीं.
नहीं?
कुछ नहीं. I just told him just be confident and go ahead and do it.
Can you show us a karate move that Dad and I can follow you? Yeah?
A karate move?
Yeah? Like anything in the screen that your character is doing? Or should we call somebody to do this for us? Anybody?
Yeah, let's call someone.
Ajay ji, आप please बुलाएं. Yeah, Yug, you pick. See, there are lots of hands going up. You want somebody from there, where?
The one in the middle who's jumping.
The one in the middle who is jumping. Who is that? Who is jumping in the middle? The orange t-shirt के left पे, right पे, कहाँ? यहाँ. With the paper? Here. The little girl. Oh. Okay, I don't know. I can't tell who's. Is somebody coming down? आ जाओ.